Good morning, traders. Stock Sumo with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Today is Wednesday, May 8th, and today we're taking a look at XSNX. That's XsunX Inc., trading on the OTC markets, and this is a solar technology company. Solar companies have been really hot lately. One of the reasons why we definitely want to put this one on our watch list and keep a close eye on it. Taking a look at the chart recently, earlier this year, it had a couple of nice runs. Towards the end of last year, December, it sold off, probably some tax loss selling, and found that bottom back here. Had a nice spike off that bottom, consolidated, and then had another nice move up where it found resistance just shy of that 200-day moving average. Since these two previous runs, we've seen some sideways trading action. It's trading in a tight channel. Notice we have a solid level of support here at 012. We've had a bit of resistance at the 015 mark, which is the 50-day moving average. So going forward, I'd like to see XSNX make its way above these moving averages, get above the 20-day and the 50-day. You got the 20-day at 014, 50-day at 015. We closed at that 20-day yesterday at 014. So I'd like to see it hold or get above these levels. That'll be a good sign. Notice the last time it had a move past these levels, it broke out and ran to that next resistance point just shy of that 200-day moving average. So if we can get above these moving averages here, the 20 and the 50-day, chances are we can possibly test that next resistance point at the 200-day moving average of 02. So we could be looking at a nice 30 to 50% move relatively quick if we can get above these moving averages. Looking at the RSI is pretty strong here. It looks like it wants to get through that 50 line. Currently the RSI has been heading north, gradually going up, and it's right at 48.62. It's always a positive sign when we see the RSI cross through the 50 line. Looking at the PPO recently crossed over. I'd like to see these lines show some divergence and start to split apart. Notice the blue bars on the histogram are on the bullish side. That's always a positive sign. Like seeing the histogram on the bullish side. The accumulation and distribution recently bottomed out and has been gradually rising. I like the way that the accumulation distribution is on a steady uptrend. I'd like to see this accumulation distribution continue to head north and pick up, show some momentum. Notice the volume is pretty consistent on XSNX. When we do have a breakout in volume, we see a breakout in price per share. So we'll be looking for some increased momentum and the price per share to break above these moving averages to indicate our next run. Definitely want to keep an eye on XSNX. Be sure to sign up for our updates at our blog and stay informed on what's happening with XSNX over at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. While you're visiting our site, be sure to check out our disclaimer for disclosure purposes. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck out there.